Hey, it's Jan. I mentioned these chips so many times that I thought I felt an obligation to show you how simple and easy it is to make. So what you're going to do, I want to make, quote, end of quote, homemade pita chips. Okay, of course, I'm starting out with pre-made pita bread, so it's really not quite homemade, it's half homemade. All right. So one pita bread, I love this particular brand that you're looking at. It is a really good quality pita bread. So all you need is one of those pita breads. Just using this for demonstration. A pinch of salt. My favorite, garlic and parsley. And I happen to have Happy Belly vegetable spray. And I'll show you what I do in a minute. Okay, so this is really important. So what I did was, the most important step is to open up the pita completely. So I halved it, then I stretched it open so that the flattest possible way that it is, totally open, not a pocket. It's no longer a pocket anymore. And then I took my vegetable oil spray, sprayed it, and then I took a generous amount of my garlic parsley and a pinch of salt. I sprinkled on the top just for a little bit of flavor. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put it into my air fryer. And wait till you hear the crunch on this. So my air fryer is going to be set for 350 degrees, and I keep it in between 4 and 5 minutes. I do not go past 5 minutes because for me, this is what works for me. Everybody's little air fryer varies slightly. If you do it in your oven, like real oven, I would imagine that that would work just as well. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what it looks like after 350 degrees for 4 minutes in my air fryer. Look how they curled up, puffed up, whatever word you want to call it, and definitely crunch up. Let me just hear them flying out there. There you go. Now, here's a demonstration. Look at this. Look at that, how pretty, how crispy. Now, I don't want to get on camera eating. I don't like eating on camera. But hopefully you'll be able to hear the crunch when I bite into it. So give me a second. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Really, really good. Let's see if we can hear a crunch when I break it. Yep. Yep. Some of my homemade pita chips. Give it a whirl. There you go. And it's only 120 calories for this portion. And that's it. Take good care. Bye-bye.